I'm Matt.
And I'm Dawn. We're with 7 is Enough, and today we're going to talk about our day 9 on our back-to-back cruise, Carnival Cruise, and we spent it in Cozumel.
It was our second time in Cozumel for that cruise.
It was. Hello. We're back in Cozumel, and we walked down past the ship and all the long walkway. They kind of hustle you through, and they generally hustle you straight to a taxi, but we're just kind of walking a little bit farther to see what's going on. They got little horses and buggies, all kinds of goodies. And it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, Puerto Maya, that port.
Yeah, the port is Puerto Maya. Puerto Maya! I think you can see it. Yeah.
And we normally go to Mr. Sancho's, but we had gone the week before and it was sold out for the second time we were there. And so we decided to just try a different place, and we ended up at a beach called Ocean Beach Club.
We did.
We just got off the boat and asked a taxi cab driver what does he recommend, and that's where he took us.
Okay, so we are trying something new out. We are at Ocean Beach Club in Cozumel, Mexico. And
they're taking
it was $65 each.
You want
And it's supposed to be all-inclusive.
Guys, get close, look at the camera, please smile.
Yes.
It was actually very close to Sancho's.
It was. It was. It was about, I think, $15 for us to get there, something like that.
Something like that. And it was actually a little more than Mr. Sancho's, slightly.
And Sancho's, we can usually do it for $45, approximately.
This was
Yeah,
a lot
we'll go
like
on.
Sancho's, smaller, not as much to do,
Yeah.
not as nice, but it was very similar, really.
Yes.
It was just a little more expensive.
Yeah, the people were wonderful. There was only one long, I guess 2 pools. Sorry. So this is, yeah, the little pool. Hello. Just us 2. Just
Yes,
2.
2.
Thank you. There's the fish pedicure. We love that. Hello.
Whenever you're ready, guys.
Okay, we'll come back.
Thank you.
Okay.
We're gonna come back and
Little shop.
Okay, because your wristband is free, only can eat, only can drink all the time, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. This place would be great if you want a quiet, laid-back scene.
Yes.
Mr. Sancho's is a lot of fun. There's tons of stuff to do. It's great for the whole family, but it is a party atmosphere in the pools.
Yes.
This, I had the pool to myself for at least an hour and a half. And then a family came and we made friends, and she had 2 little kids in the pool, and it was us.
Okay, we just got a burrito. We're at the beach club, right? Is that where?
We're at Ocean.
Ocean Beach Club, yeah. We do this for YouTube.
I know you have to send them a channel. They have a YouTube channel. Can you find it?
I'm sure we can.
It's so good about finding stuff.
I would
That was
recommend, if you do go, to bring aqua socks. The beach is a little rocky.
Yes.
Was a little bit painful for me because I was in bare feet until you got it out a little bit.
He didn't take his water shoes because we'd been to Sancho's before, and it's real sandy and smooth, so he didn't think he would need them, but he did.
Yeah, and
he saw a snake.
I saw a sea snake, yeah, which was kind of neat.
And swam away really quick.
Yeah. Don's right over there. This is I can't remember the name of this place. Beach Club or something. I don't remember. Anyway, she's sitting over there. Should have brought my aqua socks. It's kind of rough here. But now I'm out here, it's nice. So I'm going to shut this off for a minute, probably. Yeah, I was complaining a little bit that the beach was a little rockier than I liked. But then when we got on the internet and saw that in Kansas City at home, it was a horrible winter day. They had closed all the schools. The streets were like ice. There was
Our daughter got stuck and had to get pulled out.
Yeah, it was just a nightmare. They closed everything and they said it was just an awful day. And here I am complaining because the beach had too many rocks.
Yeah, yeah.
So I had to check myself. And
yeah, be thankful.
Yeah, where we were at.
Yeah. It was great. And this is definitely also a place where you can go and you don't have to do the all you can eat, all you can drink. You can go pay a different price, just get in. And the people that we met there, they, I don't drink beer, they do. And they were saying that you could get like a bucket of them for like $12. It was really cheap.
Don't be mistaken. She is a heavy drinker, just not beer.
He just wants me to edit. I do. I drink heavily Coke Zero.
The waiter was good. He was very attentive and checked on us a lot. And we got up and moved a couple times. He always found us. And
he did.
The food, I liked the food. I thought it was good. And yeah, it was good.
And there were a lot of little places that you could, little kiosks that you could purchase things. And they did have the fish pedicures there as well. So that was nice.
Yeah, and they had, like Sancho's, but they had the blow-up things in the water for the kids to
play on.
The floating trampoline and the blow-up ladders or whatever, the rock wall.
Yeah. So it was definitely fun. Definitely a completely different experience for us than what we have had before, but it was good.
It was good.
It was still good.
If Sancho's is sold out, this was close and not bad. It was, it's a good alternative.
Yeah.
I still personally prefer Sancho's over.
If you are antisocial or you have anxiety around people, don't go to Mr. Sancho's. Ocean Beach Club would definitely be a better option. They have a lot of shaded areas that you can go. I sat actually in the shade. By this time it was day 9 for us, so I didn't care to soak up the sun as much. I just kind of relaxed in the shade for a while, and then I sat at the pool for the rest of the time.
But I did do good snorkeling that day.
You did.
I brought our Easy Breather, which I have here. We purchased for the trip. And they're nice because they have a really good field of vision. It's a whole field of vision, and you can breathe normally through your nose. And it's really nice. The snorkel piece actually attaches here. But I enjoyed it. And on hers, there's a little connector for the GoPro you could hook to it.
I got a smaller one. Mine was a medium. Matt's was a large, extra large.
Yeah.
I got the medium.
I have a big fat head.
And yeah, it's really weird because when you go in, like with just regular snorkels, the cheap ones, you go underwater, you're breathing in water. Like if you breathe and it goes underwater, you're sucking in water and blowing it out.
Has a little...
Or if you dive down, you have to, like a whale. This doesn't do that. This has the ball that will stop the water flow. Which, if you don't realize, and you go underwater and you can't breathe, and you don't realize this is in, which I did. I was like, what am I doing wrong? But it stops the intake.
Yeah,
so
it's
weird. It was weird to me because that's not very long. But you really don't need it that long, especially.
It's really the big selling points is the field of vision. You breathe normally, unlike a normal snorkel where you have to breathe through your mouth. Yeah. And it keeps water from going in.
It is a great option for kids who've never snorkeled.
And not expensive. We got knockoff, no-name brands, and they work fine. I was definitely sold on it.
Yeah, and I'll try to have a link down below to have so you can see or purchase if you'd like those masks. So and we used our GoPro.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Which was a gift that I had gotten. We had the cheaper version that you have to put into the plastic case, but we got the GoPro Black 7. And you don't have to put it in a case, so you could hear a lot better with it. I loved it, absolutely loved it.
So if you're in Cozumel and you're looking for a place, what is it called again?
Ocean Beach Club.
Ocean Beach Club.
Yes, yeah. If you're there, it's wonderful.
Thank you.
If you liked what you saw today, we would love to have you hit the like button. If you want to see more of what we have, hit the subscribe button. Doesn't cost anything. And if you'd like to get notifications as soon as a new video comes out, click that bell. It will notify you when we go live, which we will be doing soon. And I have a it's gotten kind of raggedy now because it's been in my purse for like a month.
$100 gift card, and I think you're gonna give away some earrings.
Yes, I've been gonna give away some earrings, and it's as a thank you because we hit 1,000 subscribers. We wanted to kind of just do something to tell our subscribers that we love ya, and so we're going to do a giveaway when we're live. So if you're live, then you can jump in and
Yep, we'll be doing it soon.
yay!
Thank you.
So have a great day, guys. We love ya.